Welcome to another video and welcome to the channel. It is Saturday the 25th of October 2025. We're in beautiful Newcastle-under-Lyme, 8 degrees Celsius, just stopped raining, and today is the classic car show here at Newcastle. Come and join me. I've not been to Newcastle for a while and yeah, wow, it's all dug up at this side. Now I've read on Facebook this morning there's a new nightclub, is it up to 800 people, and it's called Suede. The Guildhall, we've got the chimes coming up for, as you guessed, 10 AM. Tell you what, it's definitely a bit on the cold side. How cool is that? We're getting a bit of autumn sunshine here in Castle. So I'm guessing the classic car show has got to be up here. We've got the market. Let's just get you guys a bit of sunshine. We're not seeing much of that at the moment. Of course, give me a big thumbs up. Guildhall. Absolutely fabulous place in Castle, isn't it? We've got the market. Now we are early, so I'm guessing there's going to be a lot more stalls as the day progresses. Just look at the beautiful autumn coloured trees. So yeah, this is Newcastle on a Saturday morning. The Arthur Berry on the street. So I think this was in Hanley a few weeks ago, wasn't it? So yeah, let's go and check it out. Hey, right, we are coming to the classic car show, and let's go and see what we can find. We're starting off with this Jag, and we've got a leopard on top. Nice little Porsche there. I like the colour of that. Cosmic orange iPhone it could be. We've got a Nissan. Wow. Some beautiful motors. The old Morris Minor. All reminds me from Roy from Coronation Street there. Now that is one nice car, look at that. 2.3 V6. And they're just cleaning them off a little bit after this morning's rain. That is nice. Wow, who remembers cars when they were like that? This takes me back to my childhood. Wow. Now it looks like we've got a bit of music up here, so we have to put some music on. Now this was the car that I always wanted when I was young. I never actually got it, but I set mine up like it. XR2i. Look at that. It's in absolute mint condition. Wow. Fantastic. We've got an Audi over there. Really, really nice. Now, do you know what? For a minute, I thought that was a real guy actually staring at me then. That looks so realistic. That's classic, isn't it? Yeah, I thought he was just standing there looking at the bumper. So, look at this one. So this was the full guy. Stunt coordinator performed and driver Derek Lee is featured on the feature films Dying, Another Day to the Gladiator. Wow. How cool is that? Wow. Now look at this Ford. Beautiful. Life on Mars. Who remembers the old tax discs? Got the Jaguar. Look at the Jaguar on top there. Nice. Yeah, we've got some music playing now, so we're gonna have to isolate my voice, put a bit of background music on. Wow, look at that. A Lotus. Let me know in the comments, what is your favourite car? I like the Mini over here. Mini does look pretty cool. Wow, God, it's kicking off in Newcastle today. Lots going on. Wow, look at these. E-Type Jaguar. Look at that. Now that is definitely pretty old. Proud owner, must be very, very proud. I like that car. Now I like this number plate, New Jersey MG. Mini Cooper Sport, 1959 to 1999, 40th anniversary. It's a nice car. Yeah, I believe there's like a stage and everything up there. We'll go and check that out in a minute. So this is going to be an absolute awesome day. We're still early here. Going to be a lot happening in Newcastle today. Let's go and check out a few more cars, what we've got around here. Always like a good car show. 6 Towns Radio. Now this car is absolutely crazy, look at that. That's amazing, isn't it? Life is short. And rave on. Oh wow. Now look at these cars. That is just insane, isn't it? Look at that. Held up by the gun. That's just fantastic, isn't it? Wow. Do not lick the walls, it says there. That is one sick car. That's fantastic. Fallout Fiesta. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Please stand by. Look at that, nuclear survival kit. Macaroni cheese. That's unbelievable, isn't it? And you can follow them on Instagram. Wow. Got the gun on the end. That is my favourite so far, look at that. Wow. That's nice. I didn't realise there was going to be so many classic cars here today. Now look at this green caddy. I wouldn't mind owning that. That is beautiful. Wow. Really, really nice. Mustang. USA, USA. Look at that, the engine on that. Beautiful. My kind of car. I like the gun. Seats look pretty cool, and the USA flag on the back. That is one nice Mustang. Beautiful. But I do like that caddy. Well, I'm having fun in Newcastle today. Hope you guys are. Oh, that's something new, Capello Lounge. I wasn't there when I was here last. So we've got like a dune buggy here. Escort XR3i, oh my god, yeah. This was the other ink car when I was younger. Look at that. And of course we've got the motorcycles. So cool. Nah, you'd have plenty of fun with this, wouldn't you? Getting the desert and that over in the USA, wow. Yeah, this is a really cool Saturday morning. Look at that, outside of Yates's Citroen Triumph. Look at this, little mini run, 2023, London to Brighton. And we've got a USA Army Jeep there. Now, okay, this has got to be, yeah, that's my, if I was going to pick a car today, that has got to be the car. Look at that. That is a beautiful car. Wow. Really nice, really, really nice. Love the number plates. Oh, look at that for a car. I just absolutely love the wheels on that. Look at that. Come on, that's living the dream. USA, USA. Nice. And of course we've got a police car there. Warminster Township police car. Yeah, I'm going to take a still of that, I think. Right, we've got a bit of a autumn scene there for you. Look at how beautiful is Newcastle today. Looking good. And we've got backyard burgers there to feed you guys. Do you know what? There's plenty of beautiful shops in Newcastle. Right, let's head back. Checking out some of these. Wow, just look at that. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. Nice little Mini. So yeah, guys, this is what Newcastle looks like today. Get yourself down here. Definitely on the chilly side, but cold on the hands today. Even the doggies are out today enjoying themselves. I've got the rain coming on, so I think I was lucky just to film that for you. Such a shame because all those cars are all highly polished. But yeah, I think the rain is on until about 11 o'clock this morning. Still a lot of empty shops in Castle. This is where, I think that's where we used to have that very expensive ladies' clothes shop, was it? Tommy Cook's on the corner, still remaining empty on the Lancaster building. This is made into a nice little sitting area there by the Guildhall. Good old Wright's Pies. Clinton's Cars. Yeah, not been to Castle for a while, but it's definitely a big thumbs up. Gotta love Castle, haven't you? Panaros, that looks as though it's all closed up. Admiral, still going on. And the markets, I mean, again, I guess there's going to be a lot more later on in the day. Don't forget, we are still pretty early at the moment. As we look up to that part of Castle, that's what it looks like on that Saturday morning. Last time we were in Newcastle, they were doing this area where I'm standing at now. So they've put, growing some trees, which I guess in years to come will be really beautiful. Not too sure what they're doing there. They put, oh yeah, I've seen it on Facebook. They've put this huge screen up, so I don't know what's going to be advertised on that. Right, let's head back towards the car. Slug and Lattice, all dressed up for Halloween. Look at that, pretty scary. The Golden Lion. There's a lot of boozers still in Castle. There are some fabulous buildings, just look at that. Wow. So this is the new in-place nightclub, either opening soon here in Castle. And again, check it out. Yeah, I believe there's about 800 odd people on that one. Always like this part. Now, I always remember this shop as it was a travel agent, wasn't it, all them years ago. And it's so colourful just walking down through the subways. Very, very clean. Overall, this morning's walk around Castle, I think, was a big thumbs up. Right then, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video today. If you have, drop me some comments. Make sure you give us a hype. Let's get these small channels going. Of course, give me a big thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for watching. It's been a great day. We'll see you guys really soon.